Good morning, my beautiful friend. Welcome to this new day and our meditation together. Today we will awaken to clarity and start the day with a fresh perspective. Find a comfortable seated position and let your body start to relax. Take a deep breath in and out. Begin to soften your gaze with your eyelids heavy or gently closed. Let your shoulders relax and breathe in peace, calm energy. Exhale stress, let it go. Imagine yourself sitting beside this peaceful pool, surrounded by the gentle mist of steam. Feel the warmth of the morning sun on your skin and the calmness of the water's presence. Notice the sounds around you, the gentle lapping of the water against the pool's edge, the chirping of the birds in the distance. Allow these sounds to create a sense of serenity and tranquility within you. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Feel the sensation of the air moving in and out of your nostrils. As you inhale, imagine fresh clarity and focus entering your mind. And as you exhale, imagine any mental fog or confusion leaving your body. Take a few more deep breaths, and as you do, allow your body to relax even more and let go of any tension. Starting from the crown of your head, bring your awareness to each part of your body, slowly scanning all the way down to your toes. As the morning sun rises, Imagine its light illuminating your mind. Envision any mental clutter or confusion lifting like the steam rising from the pool. And now, repeat the following phrase to yourself, allowing the words to sink deeply into your mind. I awaken to clarity. I trust my inner wisdom. I am focused and present. I awaken to clarity. I trust my inner wisdom. I am focused and present. I awaken to clarity. I trust my inner wisdom. I am focused and present. As you breathe, feel your mind becoming clearer, more focused, and more at peace. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of the pool, looking out onto the calm water. Visualize your goals, aspirations, and intentions for the day reflected on the surface of the pool. notice any ripples or disturbances in the water. Imagine these representing challenges or obstacles. Now, envision yourself gently placing a stone into the water, creating a new ripple that spreads calmness and clarity. As the ripples settle, see your reflections becoming clearer and more defined. Know that you have the power to create positive change and navigate any challenges that come your way. Take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly draw your awareness back to your physical space. Notice how you feel, more calm, more focus, more clarity. And remember, this sense of clarity and inner peace is always available to you. Carry it with you throughout your day and return to this peaceful pool whenever you need to awaken to clarity. As you continue to emerge from this meditation, take a moment to reflect on the clarity that has arisen within you. Sharing your insights or observations in the comments below can help you integrate this newfound clarity into your daily life and inspire others to do the same. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel for inspiring meditations, guidance, and support. Thank you for joining me on this meditation journey. May you walk in clarity, purpose, and peace. Namaste.